To perform requirements calculation based on the aircraft engine BOM and vendor material lead time stored in MongoDB using Python programming. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Aircraft engine BOM, bill of material, defined in deep neural network. To perform requirements calculation based on the aircraft engine BOM and vendor material lead time stored in MongoDB using Python programming, you can follow these general steps. 1. Install required libraries. Install the necessary libraries, including PyMongo for interacting with MongoDB and any other libraries you may need for data manipulation and analysis, such as pandas. 2. Establish a connection to MongoDB. Use the PyMongo library to establish a connection to your MongoDB database. Specify the database and collection where the BOM and vendor lead time data are stored. 3. Retrieve data from MongoDB. Use PyMongo to retrieve the BOM and vendor lead time data from the appropriate collection in MongoDB. 4. Data preparation. Convert the retrieved data into suitable data structures, such as pandas data frame or series, for further manipulation and analysis. 5. Merge data. Merge the BOM data with the vendor lead time data based on common identifiers, such as component names or vendor IDs. This allows you to associate the lead times with the respective components and vendors in the BOM. 6. Requirements calculation. Iterate over the merged data and calculate the requirements for each component based on lead time. This can be done by summing the lead time for each component from all vendors. Take into account any additional factors that may influence the requirements calculation, such as desired safety stock levels or production schedules. 7. Analysis and output. Perform any necessary analysis on the calculated requirements, such as identifying critical components with long lead times or evaluating the total inventory needs. Generate reports or visualizations using Python libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn to present the calculated requirements in a clear and informative manner. Here's a sample code snippet that demonstrates the basic steps outlined above, assuming you have already established a connection to MongoDB. Python. Import pandas SPD. Import PyMongo. Hashtag step 3, retrieve data from MongoDB. Client equals pymongo.mongo client, MongoDB connection URL. DB equals client your underscore database. BOM underscore collection equals DB BOM. Lead underscore time underscore collection equals DB lead underscore time. BOM underscore data equals PD data frame, list, BOM underscore collection dot find. Lead underscore time underscore data equals PD data frame, list, lead underscore time underscore collection dot find. Hashtag steps 4 to 7, data preparation, merge data, requirements calculation, analysis, and output. Hashtag follow the previous code snippet from step 4 onwards to perform the calculations and analysis. Hashtag further analysis or output generation can be performed here. Make sure to replace MongoDB connection URL, your underscore database, BOM, and lead underscore time with your actual MongoDB connection details and collection names. Adjust the code based on the structure of your MongoDB data and the specific requirements of your calculations. Remember to handle any missing or inconsistent data, perform data validation, and incorporate additional logic as needed. Thank you.